Ka RCE Secondary School meet Mindadu ha ka katway trikleber. Kelas dang ya ka annual school sports meet pa RCE hamadan moken pan meet Mindadu. Ya ka nika sports meet lawan play da uma Octomewot lamin nominated MDC JHETC ha ka jingdan lang u Father Augustine Lamin, Chairman School Managing Committee kakong Jessica BM, Head Teacher but Secretaries SMC na lor kinong hikay pat ki khynnah school. U Father Augustine Lamin, Chairman SMC ha ka jingkran, ulas neng lakrawi ki khynnah, banlong ki khynnah ki banang ban riya ka akor buram, bat ban im ha kanong rim jong ka jingiarap mar kilyang, bat penshuru bandan ka mensim ya le bat poy syakathong. Uma Octomewot Lamin ulaong ki khynnah school bat ki samla ka ni kajuk kilong ki donbok na mar ka sorkar lamang kyrpang ya kila jingiarap na kabenta jongki. Kumta ula kintui ki khynnah donsam ha ki jingalek kai sports baper banturi shitam bat ban pendan kam hok ya kasam. Kum kadak ka jingpli ya ka sports meet uma Octomewot Lamin ula penher ya kalama bat shim Syllad ha ka march past bala shim benta da ki south ki house red, blue, green but yellow house.
Ka sport hawa panman ka skur em ga jingmut ko krova na ka banta yang pikam ki khynnah. Hagini ki sngi patan gu katni ka generations ko pi impe. Bala you compare wak yung i go dap chiden. You man hag yung i man ga wisap ai. Handrai haga yung i ka por ka generations ko lai jo ong ki bai ki pai I krak kot pa kon yo pas pe. Handrai ngapai hagani ka generations ko yung pi go katni. Untuk dukat krak kot hak bo pas. Sai kisap kitalan ki yung pila yo hoy bro yo man bro pe. Nebha ila wong eta. Hawaro ki benta. Emlot ki activities wa pi yo pi take part. Walang ba yung kajing take part yung pi ngini ki activities la pi wan pi chikmat kalat ipi em chuago. Kani man ka kubi ni ki benta koi kulang chirup start itep ki extra activities ko play AWA la dah kra ki namo dah pet sport na hewan ni benta la. Ka benta ko kong san tam to perkhat ito wa kamon ngapat em kam hok ye yi iwangayo.
To learn the art of discipline, to learn the art of working together, to learn the art of helping each other, to learn the art of self-giving. Throughout these events, though you are competing to win a prize, but don't forget to help each other, that we win together. A winning that is winning only for ourselves, sometimes it may not be so much enjoyable to celebrate a winning that is alone. But when we win as a team, when we win as a group, that winning gives us a lot of joy. But if one person wins alone, that game is not so enjoyable. But if everyone wins together, that game is that activity or that sports gives us a lot of joy, a lot of encouragement, a lot of hope in our life.
First is the Blue House, representing loyalty, strength, and perseverance, led by their house captain, Kyrpang, and the flag bearer, Mary Margaret Lamery. Following them is the Green House, symbolizing growth, harmony, and sportsmanship, led by their house captain, Firstborn Power, and the flag bearer, Jairus Power. And now we will welcome Mr. Puskemi Lamery with the flag bearer, Ms. Dala Arki Lamery. bersama Mechua